Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on horizontal gene transfer. So similar to what you're most familiar with, bacteria are going to pass DNA vertically from a parent cell to its daughter cells during reproduction. However, bacteria can also acquire DNA horizontally, either from other neighboring cells or from their environment. This process is known as horizontal gene transfer, and it's allowing a bacterium to gain genes that it did not inherit from its parent. If the transferred DNA is maintained and expressed, it may give the recipient a new characteristic, such as the ability to use a different nutrient, produce a toxin, or even resist an antibiotic. Because bacteria do not have to wait for a useful mutation to occur, horizontal gene transfer can introduce new traits and spread them rapidly through a bacterial population. This makes it an important source of genetic variation and a major driver of bacterial evolution. The three types of horizontal gene transfer are what you see here. And let's start on the far right with conjugation. You're going to see the use of the pilus. It's a structure we talked about in a previous video. And that pilus is going to allow a donor cell to reach out, grab hold of a recipient cell that lacks the plasmid, bring it close so that it can then share or donate its plasmid. Okay, so at the end of the day, both cells will have the same plasmids. Transduction is going to involve a bacteriophage, which you see right here. And remember, a bacteriophage is a virus that only infects bacteria. And we haven't quite gotten into our virus module yet. So for now, we're going to provide just a big picture overview of this process, and it will be revisited during the video on bacteriophage. And then lastly, with transformation, there's no cell to cell contact or contact with any other type of microbe. With transformation, the bacteria is strictly getting the DNA from the environment. Okay, so this is a really interesting topic, and I'm excited to talk with you about it. So please stay tuned for the remaining videos. There will be one on each of these types of horizontal gene transfer. All right, let me know if you have any questions.